Banna Uganda bazzeemu okwekumamu obutaaka, bazzeemu okwekalakaasa ku nsonga z'amafuta eza Tajja Kugasima nga bagamba nti Museveni alekeraawo okwemulira ku mafuta ga Banna Uganda. Babadde n'enteekateeka ez'okutandika okugasima nga bagabbirira. Ono jjukira nti omukutu gwago yagussa Tanzania, galina kuva Uganda nga gadda Tanzania. Kitegeeza nti Banna Uganda tebagenda kugaganyulwamu. Kyova olaba Banna Uganda bo si bamativu n'ensonga eyo nga bagamba nti tajja kugasima kubanga okugasima Uganda yeyina amafuta naye tegenda kuba tegaganyulwamu. Okola otya omukutu ne guba gugatwala Tanzania gye bagasengejjeza? Lwaki tebagakoleddeko ne Uganda n'abaana ba Uganda ne bagafunamu? Abafuna emirimu ne bagifuna, n'abatemebwa ettaka lyabwe wayita pipeline wagaana okubasasula. Kitegeeza nti olw'ensonga eyo oba tosasudde Banna Uganda, bw'oba tokoze kintu ekyo mafuta ago kusengejjerwa Uganda ng'osaze okugatwala TZ, kitegeeza TZ yegenda okukifunamu okusinga Banna Uganda. Kakati awo ddala oba oyagaliza Uganda, gwe mukulembeze akulembera eggwanga Uganda naye tolina kalungi nakamu k'olyagaliza. Olw'obukulu bw'ensonga eyo kireetedde Banna Uganda abawangaalira ebweru w'eggwanga okwekalakaasa nga bagattiddwako abalwanirizi b'eddembe ly'obuntu mu mawanga ag'abazungu. Bagamba nti balina okulwanirira eddembe ly'abantu bonna Abafirika babeere nga bafuna eddembe lyabwe kyenkanyi. Abakulembeze bangi nnyo mu mawanga ga Afirika bano nga balinyirira eddembe lya bannansi zaabwe bebakulembera. Kyova olaba nti obwannakyemalira bungi nnyo mu mawanga ga Afirika kubanga abantu ba Afirika balowooza nnyo ku ssente. Oli bw'afuna ddiiru nga wadde yandigasizza ggwanga lye lyonna, ye asobola oggikuba obwomu ng'omuntu alikulembera eggwanga. Kati nga Museveni bw'ali mu kkuba ddiiru y'amafuta yaagalyemu yekka yekka ng'eggwanga terina we lifuniddemu. Kino Bannayuganda kye bawakanya nga bagamba nti ago amafuta tegajjirira muntu omu. Museveni si yaleeta amafuta ago ate era si yagakola mu ttaka gye gali, wabula bw'abanga Mukama yakiteekawo nti gabeere ga ggwanga Uganda, ng'osanga mwe lijja okuganyulwamu okusobola okuyitamba ebizibu ebimu bye liyitamu olwaleero. Tutuuka mu malwaliro nga n'eddagala teririiyo. Olaba amasomero, tewali masomero gali ku mulembe gw'olaba nti agasobola okukwata ku mwana wa Uganda. Ebintu bingi bye tumeesinga mu ggwanga Uganda naye nga si lwakuba nti Bannayuganda tebaagala kuwa misolo. Emisolo gye tusasula tegikoze ebyo bye twetaaga. Kyokka ate Mukama aleese amafuta nga gano nti waakiri gagasa eggwanga, wabula Mwami Museveni yayagala gaganyulwamu muntu omu. Kyova olaba Bannayuganda balemerako nga bagamba nti tojja kugasima kubanga bw'ogasima oba ogenda kwekkusa wekka na famire yo. Waakiri galinde omukulembeze alidda mu buyinza nga Museveni ovuddewo, awo ajja kugakozesa okugaasa eggwanga lyattu Uganda. Kyova olaba okwekalakaasa kuno kugenze mu maaso era abaana bakombye kwerima bagamba nti ekijja kijje, naye Museveni tolina kusima mafuta gano. Amafuta si gago ng'omuntu, amafuta ga Bannayuganda. Embeera eno simanyi kubanga Mwami Museveni era Amerika yamuteekako ddannatti nemugamba tagezaako okugeemoolerako, wabula ate bagamba nti ag'omunkuubo nti yebbirira batandika dde okugasima wadde tegayimu bulambulukufu biyita mu nkuubo bya bwama. Naye kiba nga kituufu yatandika okugasima era ekyakola kikolwa kyakumenya mateeka. Ne Bannayuganda bagamba nti tolina kugasima mafuta ga ggwanga Uganda. Katulabe okwekalakaasa kuno kubadde.
About a man who has abused Ugandans for the last 40 years. We are talking the abuse of human rights in Uganda, where a man cannot demonstrate in the streets of Uganda, where a woman cannot walk down the street scared of being raped by the military thugs. We are calling on the UK government to stop training the militias from Uganda, because when they go back to Uganda, they are raping Ugandans, they are raping our women, they are raping our sisters. People power.
Our power. People power.
You cannot talk about democracy while you have been in power for 40 years.
Yes.
In the UK we changed 11 prime ministers.
Way.
In Uganda we still under the same dictatorship.
Yay.
In America they've changed 8 presidents.
Yay.
In Uganda, Museveni is still killing Ugandans.
40 years later.
People power.
Our power.
President Robert Chaplain said he's coming to sort out the mess. The problem for Uganda is not about investment. The problem for Uganda is leadership.
Yes.
We ain't no people to sort out the mess.
Yes.
We are calling on Ugandans to unite. This cancer. Museveni is the cancer for Uganda, and Museveni is a cancer for Africa. And we cannot stand and leave our country be rotten to hell under this brutal dictator. Museveni must go.
Must go.
Museveni must go. Mutenga must go. Mutenga must go. We know Mutenga, when you left Uganda, you used to work in the army. You have got criminal charges in Uganda. Under the new Uganda, Mutenga, you answer charges against Ugandans you killed before running to the UK. People power.
Our power. People power.
We'll be listing your names under our black book.
Yay!
Signs. We all share. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Where is Museveni? We want Museveni here. We need Museveni to be taken to the International Criminal Court.
Yes.
To answer charges against humanity. Museveni is a criminal.
Yes.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go.
Museveni has killed the people of Luweero. Museveni has killed the people of the northern Uganda.
Yes.
Museveni has killed people in DRC.
Yes.
Museveni is ADF in Congo.
Yes.
Museveni is M23 in Congo.
Yes.
Museveni is looting DRC Congo as we speak.
Yes.
We cannot allow the brutal dictator to impose on ourselves.
Yes.
40 years is more than enough.
Yes.
40 years of brutality in Uganda is enough.
Yes.
We are calling on Ugandans to stand and remove this cancer. Museveni must go.
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 You talking about investment in Uganda. You are investing in our torture. You are investing in our rape. You are investing in our poverty in Uganda. You cannot be talking about business right now. You should be talking about leadership change in Uganda. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Is there anything which I need to tell you guys? That Museveni is a murderer. We are standing here because we fighting for our country, Uganda. We want dignity and respect. We cannot get kind of this brutal dictator.
Yes.
A dictator who stands on begging.
Yes.
A begging basket.
Yes.
While he has got $12 billion in his bank.
Yes.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go.
Museveni must go. Museveni must go. Museveni must go. We need change in Uganda. The change is overdue.
Yes.
We cannot be living under the same flag, Museveni.
Yes.
You cannot talk about investment in Uganda.
Yes.
While women and women are being raped.
Yes.
They speak also. Our megaphone is tired of Museveni. You can imagine. Yes. We are here to raise up. We are here to say the truth.
Yes.
Look at the images. This is not science fiction. These are human beings. These are people's children. These are people's wives. These are people's fathers. Museveni has killed us. And it's going on. But his time is numbered. Enough is enough. Museveni, we are here. We are going to lecture until Museveni you go. The only place we wish you is to put you in Luzira. That's the only place we pray for.
6 feet under.
Because for you, you kill. But for us, we are not going to kill you. The only safe place for you, Museveni, is Luzira.
Yes.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hey, hello?
Hello.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
One Uganda.
One people.
We are here
Yeah. Hurrah.
to talk to you direct hypocrites. We want to to teach you the definition of democracy. We want to teach you the definition of human rights.
Yes.
Human rights, the rule of law. The hypocrites who are dealing with the dictator Museveni, we have questions for you. How come in the UK you had about more than 8 prime ministers in a short period of time? However, your partner in crime, the dictator Museveni, can be a president, elect president, and now being his son, General Wars, a journalist. How come you are still dealing and funding our operation?
Attending the investment.
Causing us
These are the
to run
Asians
away
attending
from
the
our beautiful land.
investment.
Because cities to suffer. Our children on the way when they're running away.
Tobera mubi bera
We
good.
transit to run away from terror. We ask the UK government and their partners, what is the definition of democracy? What is the definition of human rights? We want the UK government to tell us, and we want the
I'm trying to tell you how to be a bit more tame.
the hypocrites of the West. The West are the problem of Africans. We are here because our homes are not bad, but the leadership. How can we change many US presidents? However, in Uganda we have only one life president. 48 years! 38 years! And yet he came in power after he killed so many Africans. Museveni has killed Africans in Somalia. Museveni is got mercenaries. He's working for the US as a proxy to do their dirty work in Congo, to do their dirty work in Uganda, to steal the minerals. We know about that. We are here to speak the truth, the power, and we are saying that we are saying no to the neo-colonialism. We are saying Uganda is an independent country and that deserves democracy. It deserves the rule of law. It deserves peace, unity, and prosperity, just like in the UK. We are here to remind the UK population that your governments are working hands in hand with a dictator who has brutalized Africans for many years. We are here to alert the UK population and the people of good conscience to alert you and put an eye, challenge your members of parliament. £1 billion sent to the dictator every year. Your taxpayers' money to fund our operation. We are here to remind